Welcome to Holistic Health Haven. Today, we're diving into the powerful benefits of oregano, a humble herb with extraordinary health properties. From boosting your immune system to enhancing digestion, oregano is more than just a kitchen staple. Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike, and today we're talking about one of my favorite natural remedies, oregano. This humble herb has been used for centuries, not just for its flavor, but for its incredible health benefits. Now, you might know it as that fragrant herb you sprinkle on your pizza, but trust me, oregano is so much more than just a tasty topping. It's a versatile herb that can be used in a variety of dishes and has numerous health benefits. We're going to delve into the science behind its incredible health benefits, and I promise you, you'll be amazed by what this little herb can do. From boosting your immune system to improving your digestion, oregano is a true powerhouse. First and foremost, oregano is a powerhouse of antioxidants. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and keep your body functioning optimally. We're talking about those powerful compounds that fight off harmful free radicals in your body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to chronic diseases. Free radicals are like little troublemakers that can damage your cells and contribute to aging and diseases. By neutralizing these free radicals, antioxidants help to slow down the aging process and reduce the risk of various diseases. Antioxidants neutralize these troublemakers, keeping your body healthy and strong. This means better skin, improved energy levels, and overall, better health. One of the things I love most about oregano is its potent antibacterial properties. This makes it a great natural remedy for fighting off infections. And the credit for this goes to two amazing compounds, carvacrol and thymol. These compounds have been shown to have strong antibacterial effects. Studies have shown that these compounds can actually inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli, which can cause some nasty infections. This makes oregano a great addition to your natural medicine cabinet. Now let's talk about digestion. Oregano can work wonders for your gut health by promoting a healthy digestive system. Oregano can work wonders for your gut health. It helps to balance the gut microbiome and can even help with issues like bloating and indigestion. It does this by stimulating bile flow, which is essential for breaking down fats and absorbing nutrients from your food. This means better digestion and nutrient absorption. So if you're prone to indigestion or bloating, adding a little oregano to your diet might just be the natural solution you've been looking for. And that's not all. Oregano also has anti-inflammatory properties. Oregano can also help alleviate those pesky coughs, colds, and congestion that tend to plague us, especially during the colder months. It's a natural remedy that can provide relief without the side effects of over-the-counter medications. It acts as a natural expectorant, helping to loosen up mucus and clear your airways. This makes it easier to breathe and can help you recover faster from respiratory infections. Plus, its antiviral properties can help fight off those pesky viruses that bring on the sniffles. But wait, there's more. Oregano is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Oregano also has anti-inflammatory properties thanks to its powerful antioxidants. These properties can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to many chronic diseases. Chronic inflammation is linked to a whole host of health problems, from heart disease to arthritis. By reducing inflammation, oregano can help protect your body from these conditions and even alleviate symptoms like aching joints and muscles. By reducing inflammation, oregano can help protect your body from these conditions and even alleviate symptoms like aching joints and muscles. So, whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve your digestion, or just add a little extra flavor to your meals, oregano is a fantastic choice. Now that you know about the amazing health benefits of oregano, you're probably wondering how to incorporate this super herb into your daily life. Well, the good news is, it's incredibly easy and versatile. Let's start with the most obvious one: cooking. Fresh or dried oregano adds an instant flavor boost to a wide range of dishes. Sprinkle it on your pizzas, pastas, soups, salads. The possibilities are endless. You can even use it in marinades and dressings for an extra kick. And the best part is, you're not just enhancing the taste, you're also adding a powerful nutritional punch to your meals. If you're looking for a soothing and healing drink, try brewing a cup of oregano tea. Simply steep a teaspoon of dried oregano in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. This aromatic tea can help soothe digestion, fight off infections, and even promote relaxation. It's a perfect way to unwind after a long day. Oregano oil is another great option for harnessing the herb's therapeutic properties. You can dilute oregano oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil and use it for massages. It's particularly effective for relieving muscle pain and joint stiffness. However, a word of caution, oregano oil is very potent, so always dilute it before applying it to your skin. Did you know that oregano oil can also be used as a natural remedy for skin conditions and fungal infections? Its antifungal properties make it effective against athlete's foot, ringworm, and even nail fungus. Just apply a diluted solution of oregano oil to the affected area twice a day. For those battling a cough or cold, oregano can come to your rescue once again. Combine oregano with honey to make a natural cough syrup that can soothe your throat and loosen up phlegm. You can also try an oregano steam inhalation to clear congestion. Simply add a few drops of oregano oil to a bowl of hot water, drape a towel over your head, and inhale the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. This can help open up your airways and provide relief from congestion. Chapter 3. Fun Facts about Oregano. Now let's dive into some fun facts about oregano that you might not know. This humble herb has a lot more to offer than just flavoring your favorite dishes. Did you know that the name oregano actually comes from the Greek words oros meaning mountain and ganos meaning joy? It's a name that truly captures the essence of this wonderful herb. So oregano essentially means joy of the mountains, which is quite fitting considering its origins in the mountainous regions of the Mediterranean. These regions are known for their rich biodiversity and unique plant species. Speaking of the Mediterranean, oregano has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Its uses go far beyond the kitchen. The ancient Greeks used it to treat wounds, digestive problems, and even snake bites. They believed in its powerful healing properties and incorporated it into their daily lives. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, himself praised oregano for its healing properties. He often recommended it for various ailments. Here's another interesting fact. Oregano is a natural pesticide. Its strong aroma and potent compounds make it an effective insect repellent. This makes it a great addition to any garden. So, if you're into gardening, consider planting some oregano around your plants to keep those pesky bugs at bay. But that's not all. Oregano also has numerous health benefits. Oregano is also a great source of essential nutrients like vitamin K, iron, and manganese. These nutrients are vital for maintaining good health. Vitamin K is crucial for blood clotting and bone health, ensuring that your body functions properly. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen throughout your body, helping to keep your energy levels up and your organs functioning well. And manganese plays a vital role in metabolism and antioxidant defense, protecting your cells from damage. And here's a bonus fact for all you history buffs out there. During World War II, when antibiotics were scarce, oregano was used as a natural antiseptic to treat infections. Its powerful antibacterial properties made it a valuable tool in the fight against bacterial infections. Soldiers and medics relied on it when other resources were limited. Its powerful antibacterial properties made it a valuable tool in the fight against bacterial infections. This just goes to show how versatile and important oregano has been throughout history, so there you have it. Oregano is not just a delicious herb, it's a true gift from nature, with a rich history and a plethora of health benefits. Next time you sprinkle some oregano on your pizza or pasta, remember all the amazing qualities this herb possesses. There you have it, the incredible benefits and versatile uses of oregano. Start including this amazing super herb in your life today for better health and overall wellness. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more natural remedies and holistic health tips. Comment below your favorite way to use oregano in your daily routine.